Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make all your Facebook posts private. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application. Once you open, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top right. From here, you need to click on your name. Once you are here, you simply need to click on three dots. Once you are here, you simply need to click on activity log. Here you need to click on public post, and here you can see all of your posts that you made. And you simply need to click all, and all posts will be selected. Then you need to click here three dots, and here you can see different options. You simply need to click on change audience and click on change audience again, and from here you need to click on only me and click on change. Once you done that, all your public posts will be private. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.